Hello, my name is Mark Ledford, and I'll be presenting the 3 box mock-ups that I made. Right here first we have is this slim box, and this is the template that I used that came with the assignment. And in the first part you can see that I've made it a sideways logo with the Gentle Eye Makeup Remover also sideways. And the bottom of it will say removes waterproof mascara. It's going to be the exact same thing, but vertical on the next part of it with the barcode that shows where it's distributed from, and it's made in wherever it's made from. And then the next part will be where the instructions and directions are, and the size of how much is coming with it. And the last one is just the bigger version of the label that's on the second part with the barcode. Next I have is a small box template, and here I made one part just the logo by itself. And then on the second part it shows the directions and ingredients and with the barcode as well. The barcode looks pretty big, but it'll still scan. And then the third one, it just says it was formulated by Blueberry Company, and also tells you the size or how much the weight is. And then one more logo, but this one has also the weight on the bottom of it next to the barcode. Third I have is the medium box template right here with the deep sleep body cocoon. I have right here, the first part is just going to be the logo itself, and then the second will be the what product it is sideways, showing it saying deep sleep body cocoon, and it tells you the description of it with the size, and underneath that says it's made in the US with the barcode. And the next part is going to be where it says 24-hour solutions, basically the directions, and then the last part will show you the ingredients with another barcode. Thank you for watching. Well, listening, my bad.